Hello kids, today's video topic is Kreb cycle. Okay, so first we know that Kreb cycle is the second step of cellular respiration. What was the first step? Glycolysis. So we know that glucose convert into pyruvate, two molecule of pyruvate through glycolysis. Okay, here 2 ATP is produced, also 2 NADH is produced. Okay, then this pyruvate enter inside mitochondria matrix. Okay, through active transport. Active transport. And here it convert into acetyl coenzyme A. When it convert into acetyl coenzyme A, again CO2 is released and NADH is produced. Okay. Then this acetyl coenzyme A combined with oxaloacetate. Acetyl coenzyme is 2 carbon molecule and oxaloacetate is 4 carbon molecule. Both combine and form 6 carbon molecules citric acid. Citric acid convert into isocitric acid. It's a simple rearrangement reaction. Then isocitric acid follow decarboxylation. It release one CO2 and NAD convert into NADH and form alpha ketogluteric acid. Then this alpha ketogluteric acid also release one CO2 and convert NAD into NADH and form succinyl coenzyme A. So here the decarboxylation take place continuously in two steps. Okay, isocitric convert into alpha ketogluteric acid and CO2 is released. Alpha ketogluteric acid is 5 carbon compound. And then this again one CO2 is released and what is formed? 4 carbon molecule succinyl coenzyme A. And again one NADH is produced. Okay. Then this succinyl coenzyme A release coenzyme A and form succinate. Okay. Here one ATP is produced. Then succinate convert into fumarate. Okay. Here no oxidation will take place. All these are 4 carbon molecule. Okay. So when succinate convert into fumarate, it form one FADH2 is produced. Okay. Then fumarate convert into malate and then malate convert into oxaloacetate. Here again one NADH is produced. Okay. So this is the Kreb cycle. So what we learn here that in Kreb cycle, first you learn the carbon number. Acetyl coenzyme A is 2 carbon molecule and oxaloacetate 4 carbon molecule. When they combine, they form 6 carbon molecule citric acid. Isocitric acid is also 6 carbon molecule. Okay. So this is a simple rearrangement reaction. This citric acid isomerized into isocitric acid. Then here one carbon is released in form of CO2 and one NADH is produced. Okay, then what is formed? Alpha ketogluteric acid. It is 5 carbon. Then again it releases one carbon and what it forms? Succinyl coenzyme A, which is 4 carbon molecule. So here when both 2 times carbon dioxide is released, 2 times NADH is produced. Okay, and when coenzyme A is released, then ATP is produced. And FADH produced when succinate convert into fumarate. So by F you can learn fumarate F. So it produce FADH2. Okay. And one NADH produced as last NADH produced as last step. Okay. So how many NADH is produced in this process? Here, and we know that 2 pyruvate, because through glycolysis 2 pyruvate is produced, so this cycle will go on 2 times and number of product which is formed, that is also double. Okay, so here is 1 2 3 4 NADH. So from 1 pyruvate 4 NADH, so 2 pyruvate will produce 8 NADH and 2FADH, and already 2 ATP is produced. Okay, 1 NADH produce 3 ATP. So how many ATP is produced? 24 ATP. Okay, 8 NADH will produce 24 ATP in electron transport chain, and 2 FADH will produce 4 ATP. And here already 2 ATP is produced by 2 pyruvates. So how many ATP is produced? 30 ATP through Kreb cycle. And how many ATP we get through glycolysis? 8. So total 38 ATP will be produced. Okay. So this is about Kreb cycle. So how will you learn all these names? By this simple mnemonic. Okay. Again, can I keep sending samosa for my office? Here A for acetyl coenzyme A. C for citrate. I for isocitrate. K for alpha ketoglutarate. And S for succinyl coenzyme A. And second S for succinate. Nate, late. So it's a succinate form late. It will form at second after the succinyl coenzyme A. And then F for fumarate. And M for malate. And O for oxaloacetate. Okay. So this is all the names you can learn. Now carbon number, acetyl coenzyme है 2 carbon, then it forms 6 carbon molecule which is citrate, 6 carbon, isocitrate 6 carbon, alpha ketoglutarate 5 carbon, succinyl coenzyme 4 carbon, and again all these are 4 carbon molecule. Okay. Now next thing is where the NADH produce. When decarboxylation take place, so one is here CO2 is released, so here NADH is produced. Again here CO2 is released and here NADH is produced. And last NADH is produced at last step. Here no CO2 is released. Okay. And FADH produced when fumarate is formed here. FADH. And when coenzyme A is released, then here ATP is produced, 1 ATP. Okay, that's how you can learn all the NADH, FADH and the names of Kreb cycle. Then all the NADH and FADH which is produced till here will enter into ETC, electron transport chain, and produce ATP. Okay, so this is about Kreb cycle. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.